GOceries. So what is GOceries, you ask? Like the name kind of entitles itself, it is groceries on the go. So we are a grocery delivery service. The problem that GOceries is trying to solve is, on average, 32 million people shop for groceries a day, and this is nationwide. Weekly trips account for 1 to 3 times per week, and resulting in 1 to 3 hours spent, including the drive time. So what I'm trying to do is give that time back to the community so they don't have to worry about going to the store, waiting in lines, pacing down up and down aisles, and commute time as well. My solution to that is to provide an easy-to-use app to where users can custom build their own grocery lists. We would be in-house doing the shopping for you and deliver your groceries personally to your doorstep, saving you a trip to the store and giving you that time back to do whatever you want, whether it is spending that time with your family, getting work stuff done, or even finals. Things that we'd be increasing are customer interaction, customer satisfaction, and convenience based on the features that I have in my app that I will get to shortly. And things that I am decreasing are the time spent in the store, gas from commutes, and delivery times based on what I have researched from my competitors. So speaking of my competition, I am not adopting an Uber model, which I have seen from several other places, such as Gruber and Fuber, which is weird. They all decided to go with that Uber kind of name. But so basically, I'm not having the community sign up and do the grocery shopping for other people. I'm doing an in-house operation to which I would be pitching this idea to several of the grocery stores around Albuquerque, such as Albertsons, Smith's, Costco, Sam's Club, and honestly, whatever I could get my foot into as far as local stores. That was directly ran out of the local stores, so it would literally be set up like how you would see a Subway in a Walmart or a bank in a grocery store, stuff like that. GOceries would be a subcontractor of the store. On top of that, we would have faster delivery times because we're not commuting to the store, shopping there, and then commuting back to wherever you are going. We are receiving your list, sending someone in the store right away to collect your items, and then delivering it to your house. Easier checkout based on stuff on the app that I will get to here shortly. And one feature that I'm debating on leaning on is going electric for all of the vehicles that we're going to be providing to each different store, each subcontractor at the store. That way we're working on erasing the carbon footprint as well, being that we will be driving pretty constantly throughout the day. So how will the app work exactly? Groceries would be listed individually by individual stores, so we would upload individual items based on what each store has, and people can customize their grocery lists based on those outlets. The cool thing about it is you do not have to rebuild your list every time. Once you create a profile with us on the app, your list is saved and it is up for customizing to either add or delete items from your previous lists. And you could also do this at several locations as well, having a GOceries driver deliver to you from several different stores. It could be a different driver. And I have pay upon delivery on there, but as I was sitting here listening to some of the other business models, I think possibly paying through the app before stuff gets there might be a better way to go. That's something I'm still kind of debating on, so it's up in the air. Exactly how I would be able to make like a profit margin would be a collection fee, which would be 10% of your total bill that you spend at the store. Other things that I would be providing would be a coupon, like download in the app to where you can apply coupons that stores are directly putting out. So what you're spending in collection cost and delivery fees are basically being eliminated through the coupons and the money that you're saving shopping with the store. I mean, the market is there. Like I said, there is 32 million people a day on average doing grocery shopping. college students that are going through finals maybe want to take a nap or crack a beer instead of going to the grocery store. The elderly who don't necessarily have the capability to drive or the energy to walk around the store. Parents who have kids, you have to run them in between practice and school and extracurricular activities and whatnot. Workaholics who are always stuck in the office, who maybe don't have the time to go and do their own grocery shopping. And of course, your grocery store pessimist. There are people who just do not like going to the grocery store because of standing in lines and whatnot. So the necessary components that I would be needing obviously are going to be the collaborating stores. I think that's what is going to separate my business from all of these other grocery delivery services. Being that I can have my business set up directly at those stores, it will kind of speed the process up as far as delivery. I would need an app and a website developer just because I want this customer experience to be as as interactive as possible. And obviously I will need funding, but I don't really know how much I would really need to get this started, so any input would be great. And that is GOceries.